Starting around 19 October 2023, Chilliz really is exchanging at $0.056 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. CHZ certainly has a very complete market cap of $416,447,757, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $56,052,741, which generally is very huge. This especially makes Chilliz, CHZ, in every practical sense, positioning at 73 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they essentially thought. Is Chilliz an essentially wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023? Will CHZ cost certainly outperform its unequaled high? These for the most part are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future, showing how essentially is Chilliz a by and large wise speculation, or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in every practical sense, significant way. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.091, the normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to basically be $0.088, or so they generally thought. Besides, CHZ can truly arrive at a greatest value level of $0.097 in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, showing how this most certainly makes Chilliz, CHZ, especially positioning at 73 in the cryptographic money market, which especially is very critical. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.080, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086, showing that Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost especially is supposed to basically cross an especially normal value level of $0.091, the normal essentially least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.088 in an unobtrusive manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $0.083 in an unobtrusive way. CHZ value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chilliz certainly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.082 in an unobtrusive manner. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.089, with the truly normal cost around $0.085, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value figure November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.085, while the most extreme gauge cost especially is around $0.093, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exceptionally normal cost for CHZ by and large is really anticipated to reach $0.088 in November 2023, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. CHZ value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz most certainly is determined to basically be at around a sort of least worth of $0.088. The Chilliz value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0.097, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars. Chilliz truly passed value examination. In every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto fundamentally has been explicitly diminished by 2.01% in its ongoing worth, exhibiting that CHZ explicitly has an essentially all-out market cap of $416,447,757, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $56,052,741, or so they in a real sense thought. On the off chance that we generally look at the fundamentally current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap really is likewise down in a genuinely significant manner. From very most recent 7 days, the CHZ truly was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.85% in a kind of significant manner. Chilliz by and large has shown areas of strength for really of potential recently, and this could be very great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute. So Chilliz basically has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to generally dive right in and for the most part put resources into an unobtrusive way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ truly diminished by 60.240%, killing an incredible truly normal amount of $0.084 from its certainly current worth, showing that besides CHZ can explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.097, which basically is very critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at this moment, implying that it can in a real sense be a decent sort of purchase and open door for especially fast venture, exhibiting that will CHZ cost truly outperform its unsurpassed for the most part high in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change is near 59.66%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a genuinely least essentially normal cost of 13 cents to extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of 14 cents in the all things considered recent days, showing how besides CHZ can really arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.097, which certainly is genuinely critical. Chilliz especially is somewhere near 46.81%, with the especially greatest typical cost of the coin explicitly was around 11 cents, and the base genuinely normal cost of in a real sense was around 11 cents in lovely beyond 4 months, by and large further appearance, how the CHZ cost could generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.089, with the very normal cost around $0.085. Exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will be Chilliz sort of worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The CHZ cost in every practical sense is estimated to sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0.097, with extremely least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023. Genuinely further appearance how CHZ value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz generally is gauged to sort of be at around a truly least worth of $0.088, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does Chilliz certainly have a future, which truly is genuinely huge? As far as value, Chilliz in every way that really matters has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels, so while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.080, which explicitly is very huge. It basically is estimate that CHZ will increment in esteem, showing how it fundamentally